Hey guys, how's it going? How to make website in webflow. So first of all, create a new project, sign in into webflow and click create a new project, and then use the add panel to drag and drop elements like sections, containers, text onto your canvas. Arrange and style elements using the style panel. Insert text, images, and other media. Use the CMS panel if you need dynamic content like blog posts or portfolios. Add navigation bar and link it to your pages using the add panel. Ensure your navigation is clear and functional. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views in the designer. Adjust styles for different devices to ensure your site is responsive. And then basically use the preview button icon to check how your site looks and functions, and then click publish and choose webflow subdomain or connect your custom domain. Creating a website in webflow involves designing your layouts, adding content, and configuring responsiveness to build a functional and visually appealing site. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.